Hello, I'm Stuart. Before we start, we want to share that this video uses AI for graphics and voice, but all the information is manually researched by our team. Here in the video, we are going to talk about Steam Deck Error Code 7. This error comes when users try to launch a game on their Steam Deck. The game loads up to the login queue, but then suddenly crashes and displays the error. According to our research, this error may be caused by system glitches, pending updates, corrupted game files, or compatibility issues with the Proton version being used. The first thing we suggest is to restart your Steam Deck. After restarting, check if the error still comes. If the error still comes, check if your Steam Deck has any pending updates. If so, then install the pending update. And once updated, check if this helps with the error. If the error still persists, try verifying the game files. Then check if the error still comes. If the error still continues, try running the game in compatibility mode. And see if the error still comes. If the error still doesn't resolve, try changing the Proton version. And check for the error again. At last, if the error still persists, try using the Battle.net installer directly. Download the installer, then add it as a non-Steam game, and then run it from your library. Then try launching the game again and check if the error still comes. Thanks for watching. This is all we have for the error. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Have any questions or issues? Drop them in the comments below. See you in the next one.